Hello guys, review smartphone Nokia 3.2. This version 2GB Intel RAM memory and 16GB Intel memory. Start unpacking. Open box and look compactation. Device in the black color. In compactation we have guarantee papers, adapter for charging and micro USB cable. Device made of plastic in the black color. On the back side camera LED, on the front side 6.2-inch display, on the right side slot for 2nano SIM card and smart key, on the left side slot for 2nano SIM card and smart key, on the right side power key and volume keys, upside headphones jack, on the downside micro USB port, speaker and microphone. Turn on device, resolution HD, IPS Matrix display. Open Geekbench 5, look. Results Android 9, CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 429, this is quad-core processor, CPU speed 2 GHz, GPU Adreno 504, resolution display PPI, look results, single core score and multi-core score, okay, and look under the benchmark results. Okay, open Mortal Kombat and look how this game works on the device. Game load. Okay, works good. Medium graphic. Works smooth. Okay, close this and talk about camera. Front camera 5 megapixels, main camera 30 megapixels, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.